Mindfulness has its roots in Buddhism, but it is also noted in many other religions. Today it is scientifically backed as a useful tool to help tackle stress, depression and anxiety, as well as improving happiness and well-being. So what is mindfulness exactly? Definitions of the practice are wide-ranging. I like to explain it as being present with awareness. It is not falling into the past or racing into the future. It is noticing emotions without becoming consumed by the experience of them. I see there being different ways of practicing mindfulness. The traditional approach of mindfulness meditation could be described as sitting quietly, noticing one's thoughts without judgment or avoidance. It can really help us to realise that our thoughts are just that, thoughts, and they might not need to be taken so seriously. Sometimes this will include doing a mind-body scan or focusing on one's breath. These could be thought of as tools to help us stay anchored throughout the practice. Another approach to mindfulness is actively engaging in a task with complete focus and immersion in that experience. You might have heard of mindfulness colouring or mindful walking, mindful movement. This approach can help us to get out of our heads, to find a little space from our thoughts. Eckhart Tolle says, "Whatever you fight, you strengthen, and what you resist persists." Sometimes we need to stop battling the unhelpful thoughts and focus our minds on something else instead. One of my favourite ways to do this is to get into nature, ideally somewhere without any phone signal. We'll talk more about this in a later video, but one of the beauties of being in nature is that it's a multi-sensory experience. We can smell, hear, see, feel, perhaps even taste our surroundings. Stimulating our senses is a very useful way to reduce stress and anxiety. It provides our brains with external information to focus on rather than that which is swirling around in our minds. An easy mindfulness practice you can try wherever you are is to look for 5 things you can see, 4 things that you can touch, listen for 3 sounds, notice 2 smells and 1 taste. This is a great coping mechanism for if you're feeling overwhelmed or simply want to come back to the here and now. Try it for yourself today.